Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. And then go to settings. And then go to permissions. And then here, click the manage permission. And then here also click the manage permission. And you can be able to add another Google account by clicking this icon right here. And then simply put the email that you want to add. And then after that, choose a role for your added email. So choose the owner and then click invite. Then if you'll go to the email of your added email account, this is how it looks like. So click the accept invitation. And now let's go back to the manage permission. And here you can see the added email and then change it to primary owner and then click the transfer button. Now take note that primary ownership can only be transferred to a user who has been a manager for more than 7 days. And then that's it guys, I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.